My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2021 Audi A3. This vehicle has done just under 30,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic headlights, automatic wipers and a keyless ignition. On the touchscreen we can access phone apps, radio and media, navigation, weather, purchases, messages and our user profiles. If we click on Drive Select, we can access our 5 different driving modes. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. Just below the screen we have our AC, as well as heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.